Hi all, Rene here. I have an unbagging, I guess, instead of an unboxing for you. This is the Stitch Quarterly from Fat Quarter Shop, and this is the kit that I just got called Hey Pumpkin. Comes in this cute little bag. So we're just going to go ahead, open it up, and see what there is this time. So, oh, I like the colors. So we'll go ahead and open this. And I'm assuming since you're watching this video, you most likely know what Stitch Quarterly is, but what it is, it's a subscription service from Fat Quarter Shop that comes out quarterly, hence the name, and it's an exclusive cross-stitch pattern. They usually send you everything you need to make the kit. Sorry, this is making so much noise. Everything you need to make it, so we'll see what's in this month's. So first things first, let's look at the pattern. Oh, that is really cute. Show you that close up. So that is really cute, and it says, let me make sure, okay, we can turn it over. We get all of the DMC that we need. Really pretty colors. I love these colors. Show you those. There we go. So you get all of the colors that you need. It finishes out at 6 3/4 inches by 6 inches, and they provided burlap 10 count vintage cloth by Lori Holt, which is this. Well, that'll be really nice to stitch on. I'm gonna see what this feels like. Get that open. I'm gonna destroy it. Oh, it's kind of soft. It's kind of soft. It feels real nice on the hands, and it's 10 count, so that'll be a lot easier to see than some of the other ones that I've got in my in the works right now, my other whips. So the thread, you're going to use 4 strands of DMC, so that's nice. I like it. I like it when I'm using even numbers because I like to do the loop method when I start my strands. So there is that. So there's the pattern. Oh, we also got a pair of embroidery scissors. Oh, these are really pretty. Oh, they feel nice too. They are Famor. I've never heard of these. Let's see if it tells us which they are. Yep, Gold Embroidery Scissors by Famor. And it's also a Stitch Quarterly exclusive. You get the zipper bag, which they're really nice canvas bags, and you also get a needle case with a needle, and this needle is a, let's see what the needle is. This is a Bowen size 24. So that's nice. They always include a really nice needle too, not just those cruddy needles. So that is the Stitch Quarterly for this quarter. I think I really like it. I'm looking forward to making this one. It looks like it might be fairly simple, although I said that about the home one, and I'm still working on the one that says home, and I haven't even started last quarter's because I told myself you can't start it until you finish the one before. So I need to get stitching. So I hope you like this. If you have questions about this, just leave a comment down below. I'm not an affiliate. I bought this myself. I didn't get anything for doing this video. I just like to share it because I really like it when people share these kind of things so you can make a decision if it's something that you want to do yourself. So I will leave a link down below to the Fat Quarter Shop so you can check it out. I can't remember off the top of my head how much it costs, but all of that will be there. Just click the link. And I hope you're having a wonderful day, and thank you so much for stopping by to watch this quick little unbagging, and have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.